Welcome back. In this video, we're going to build a modular article generation workflow using the module framework inside SmythOS. You'll learn how to break a single task into clean, reusable AI components and connect them step by step to get better, more maintainable results. Let's start by understanding what modular prompting is. Instead of writing one long, complex prompt for a language model, we split the task into smaller, focused parts called modules. Each module handles just one part of the problem. This makes it easier to debug, easier to improve, and much easier to reuse. For example, one module could analyze a topic, another could write the article, and a third could summarize it. That's the idea behind modular design, dedicated steps for specific goals. Here's a simple example we'll use in this video. First, the topic analyzer module. This will take a topic and return structured key points. The prompt looks like this. You are a content strategist. Analyze the topic and provide. Target audience for this topic. 5 key points that must be covered. Suggested tone, any important context or background needed. Anywhere you see something like topic or key points, that's called a variable placeholder. It tells the system to inject live values into the prompt at runtime. So when the user enters a topic, the system will automatically place that topic into the prompt wherever topic appears. The same goes for key points, which will be filled in with the output from the first module. Then we'll use a second module to actually write the article. That prompt looks like this. You are a skilled article writer. Write a well-structured article about topic using the following key points. Key points include an engaging introduction, clear section headings, specific examples, a conversational tone, and a strong conclusion. Target length, 600 to 800 words. Now let's build this in SmythOS. Go to smythos.com and log in. From your dashboard, click Create Agent to open the Agent Weaver. All workflows start with the Agent Skill component. Drag it onto the canvas. Let's call it Generate Article. Open the Inputs tab and add one input called Topic. This is what the user will provide. Next, we add our first module. Drag in a GenAI LLM component. This will be our topic analyzer. By default, it has 2 inputs, one called Input and another called Attachment. Since we're only using text, delete the attachment input. Rename the remaining input to Topic to keep things clean. Now go to the Outputs tab and create a new one called Key Points. Then open the prompt editor and paste in the topic analyzer prompt from earlier. Don't inject anything yet. After pasting, click the blue input button below the editor and select Topic. That's it. This module is ready.
Now we'll add the second module, the article writer. Drag in another GenAI LLM component. Delete the attachment input again. Now we need 2 inputs here, one for topic and one for key points. Rename them accordingly. Connect topic from the agent skill and key points from the previous module. Then go to Outputs and create a new one called Article. Open the prompt editor and paste the article writing prompt from earlier. After pasting, inject both topic and key point using the buttons under the editor. That completes the second module. Finally, let's finish the workflow. Drag in an API output component. Go to Inputs and create one input called Article. Connect it to the article output from the previous step. That's the full flow. Now run the workflow. Click the Run or Test button at the top. Enter a topic like the future of remote work and hit Run. The system will first analyze the topic, then use the key points to generate a full-length article. You'll see the output come through at the end. That's how you use the module framework inside SmythOS. Each component does one thing. That means it's easier to edit, easier to reuse, and easier to scale. If you want to improve your results later, you can update just one module without touching the rest of the flow. In the next episode, we'll look at the template framework and how to make your prompt structures even more reusable and dynamic. See you there.